Welcome to the first Garden Warfare 2 pack opening on this channel. I've got 3 million coins. If we can get some good shite out of this pack, some good characters, like Super Commando. That's not what I had in mind. Fire Rose is OP with homing upgrade and fire damage upgrade. But like without it, she's just complete shit. Useless. I want E-Brains. Our first character unlocked. It's not even a character that I want. Oh my god. General Supremo. 10 quid says I'm getting General Supremo in the next pack. Look, watch. Watch this shit. See? Let's just predict the fucking future. And give the worst foot soldier. We're so getting Plasma P. I don't really want Plasma P. As much as I want Law and Agent P. Yeah, just throw that in there. Nice. Thank you for that. But also, fuck you, because it's a 2 out of 5. Please give me Law P in this pack opening. Like, I would genuinely be happy with that. Super Commando, Super Commando, Super Commando. You know what? I think I'm being too harsh against Plasma P. Because he's actually good on PC. He's basically just an Electro P, but without the detonation. Like a character I actually want. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Give me Lorpy, I swear to you. Please give me that character. I would so use Lorpy. There's so much good luck on this pack. So you know how, like, with recent packs, like, they like, gave you each piece in each pack for that one character. They did it with Golf Star. They did it with Plasma P. They did it with Fire Rose. Please give me Lorpy in this pack. There we go. Yes! Let's fucking go! That is a sight to behold.